Good morning, class. Today in science we will start lesson 7, Animal World. As the name of the chapter suggests, we will study in detail about the animal. This chapter is all about the animals. As you all know that there is a large kingdom of animal surrounding us and they have different habits, behavior and body feature. So it will be very interesting to study about their habits and feature in this chapter. Here are the topics which we will cover in this chapter. Let's see what are those. Habitat. We will study the meaning of the habitat in detail. Body coverings. How the body coverings of the animal protect them from heat, cold and rain. Breathing in animals. Students, you all know that different animals have different breathing habits, means they use different organs for breathing. So we will study in detail. Feeding habits of animal. Each animal having different feeding habits also, like some are herbivores, some are carnivores. So we will study in detail. Movement in animals. Why the animals move from one place to another? What is the reason behind this? We will cover in this topic. And migration. What is the meaning of the migration? So in detail we will study all the topics. Let's start reading the topic. Different animals live in different places. Some live on land, some on the trees and some in water. You all know this very well that animals have different living habit also. Means they survive in different atmosphere. Different animals survive in different places. Like fish survive in water. Monkey lives on the trees. Lion and tiger cannot live in water. They live on the land. So their living areas are also different from each other. Activity time. Read the names of animals given below and write their names under the places they live. Here one small activity you have to do. Here the names of the animals are given and the areas of living are given. You have to write the names of the animals according to their living area. So student, this is a very easy activity and I want you all to do this activity on your own. If any student is not able to do this, I'll post the picture in the class group. Okay. Now, habitat. What is the meaning of habitat? Let's see. A place or an area where an animal lives naturally is called its habitat. So, animal lives naturally. What does it mean? Habitat is, we can say, a natural home or surrounding of an animal where it lives, eat, grows and have babies is called its habitat. It's a natural home. A habitat provides the animal with food, shelter, air and water. So a habitat is the place which provide animals food, shelter, air and water. For example, fish lives in water and they give birth in the water only. They get food, shelter, air, everything in the water. So water is the habitat for fish. Okay. The different types of habitat found on the earth are forests, mountains, oceans, fresh water, deserts and polar region. I can show you the picture of these different types of habitat. It is given in your book. You can see over here. Here is the picture of different habitats. Forest, polar regions, oceans, fresh water and desert. These are the different habitats. And the different animals can survive in different habitats. Like lion and tiger cannot survive in desert or polar region, or polar bear cannot survive in the forest or desert. So different animals survive in different habitats only. Let's read what do you mean by forest. I know you all are well aware of forest. You have heard the stories of forest, but let's read it. A forest is a large area thickly covered with trees and plants. So you can see here in the picture also that the forest is a large area. When a large area is covered with trees and plants, it is called forest. A variety of animals live in forest. Different kind of animals found in forest like giraffe, zebra, lion, tiger, bat, birds, monkeys we found in the forest. So for example, giraffe and zebra live on land, lion and bat live in caves, bird and monkeys live on the trees, rabbit and snakes live in burrows and holes. So these are the animal we find in the forest. Okay, and they live in different places of their choice in the forest. Like rabbit love to live in burrows. Burrows means chadiyan. Snakes lives in the holes. Lion and bat lives in the caves. And giraffe and zebra live on the land under the tree. So these are the animals we found in the forest, and in forest they live in different areas. Okay, now desert. A desert is a dry area often covered with sand. Desert is a place which is fully covered with sand, with less of plant, less of vegetation you found over there. It is fully covered with sand. You can see here in the picture also. Often covered with sand with little or no vegetation. It receives very less rainfall. Camel, rattlesnake, ground squirrel, etc. are found in deserts. So in desert there is very less of rainfall. That's the one main reason of less of vegetation and plants over here. And the animals which are found over here are camel, rattlesnake and ground squirrel. These are some of the animals which we found in the desert region. So one important thing about these animals are they need less of water. That's why they are able to survive over there. If we want some other animals like the animal who lives in the forest, if we want them to survive in the desert, are they able to survive? No, because their body temperature, their survival rate is different from the animals lives in the desert. So here the animals lives in desert needs less of water. That's why they are able to survive here only. Now, polar regions. Students, polar regions are the areas which have extreme cold, like Arctic and Antarctica, which is full of snow, which is full of ice and snow, and the temperature is very less. So Arctic and Antarctica are polar regions. They are covered with snow and are extremely cold. Extremely means everybody cannot survive over there. Only some special kind of animal can survive over there, and those animals cannot survive in the forest or desert. This is also important. Polar bear, penguin, seal, walrus, etc. are found in the polar regions. Here you can see the picture of a polar bear. Polar bear is white in color. He is surrounded by snow. So it is the animal which can survive in the polar region only. It cannot survive in forest or desert. In the same way, penguin, seal and walrus cannot survive in some other type of habitats. So student, this is all about the some of the habitats, like we have discussed today: forest, deserts and polar region. Tomorrow we will discuss rest of the habitats like freshwater, oceans and body coverings. We will discuss in next class. What you have to do, you have to do this activity which I told you in the starting of the chapter, and you have to write the hard words given at the end of the book. First you have to write the name of the chapter, and then on the right side you have to write these hard words: habitat, spiracles and migration. You have to write these hard words and try to learn these hard words. Okay, so thank you class. If you have any queries, any problem in this chapter, whatever till we have studied, you are free to ask me.